Hi and welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host. So today I'm just going to show you a really quick tip on how to join your yarn together, whether you're working with a different color or you're working with the same color, just how to very quickly join that together in a way that it's not going to come undone. This is called the magic knot and it's made so simply. You take one of the colors and you join it by making a loop under the other one and tying a knot. Just the very beginning of if you were going to tie your shoes, and pull that pretty tight. Next, you're going to do the same thing on the other end. You tie that knot just like this and pull it tight again. Next, you take the two pieces of yarn on either side and you pull them until they come together just like that. Now this knot is not going to come out. The very last thing you do is you take craft scissors and all you need to do is snip off the ends, and you can snip them really close to that knot. And that is how you do the magic knot joining technique. And you'll see no matter how hard I pull on this, it is not coming out. I can just go ahead and keep crocheting, not worrying about when that changes. And again, I like to do it with the same color, but you can do it with the same color, different colors, or however way you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you later with a new stitch tutorial.